users and roles section. The purpose of this feature is to manage access permissions within the system. Not every team member needs the same level of access. So, with roles, we can define who can do what, and with users, we can assign those roles to the right people. Let's start with the Roles tab. Here, you can see the option to create a new role. When I click on Create Role, you can see all the available permissions listed under Select Access Permissions. These include options like Edit Agent, Delete Agent, Configure Agent, Publish Agent, invite people, configure channels, download agent, support app, and full control. For example, let's say I want to create a role for an admin. In this case, the admin should have all permissions. So, in the role name, I'll type admin, select all the permissions, and then click on create. Now, an admin role has been created. Next, let's say I want to create a role for a support team member. In this case, they should have limited access. So I'll type support team member as the role name and select only the support app permission. Now both roles are created, admin and support team member. But roles alone are not enough. We also need to assign them to actual people. For this, we go to the invite section. Here, I'll click on Invite Member, enter the person's name and email, and then select the role we just created. For example, I'll select Admin for this person. Once I click on Invite, an invite is sent to their email. Now, switching to that person's login, they will see the invite. Once they accept it, we can come back to our own profile, refresh the users section, and we'll see that member listed here with their assigned role. If I need to make changes later, I can also edit a role. For example, I now want to assign the support team member role, so I can simply select it. Similarly, if a role or a user is no longer needed, we can delete them. For example, if I delete a user, they will no longer appear in the active users list. But their record is not completely lost. We can always see them under the deleted user section, which keeps a history of removed members. So, the users and roles section gives complete flexibility to define roles, assign them to people, edit or update permissions, and track deleted users. Let's transform the way you connect with your leads. Visit our demo or call us at 8147 079 907 8095 259 907.